Article 1, National Territory. Article 2, Declaration of Principles and State Policies. Article 3, Bill of Rights. Article 4, Citizenship. Article 5, Suffrage. Article 6, Legislative Department. Article 7, Executive Department. Article 8, Judicial Department. Article 9, Constitutional Commissions. Article 10, Local Government. Article 7, Accountability of Public Officers. Article 12, Economy and Patrimony. Article 13, Social Justice and Human Rights. Article 14, Educational Science and Technology. Article 15, the Family. Article 16, General Provisions. Article 17, Amendments of Revisions. Article 18, Transitory Provisions.